Stephanie from InSync with the Earthcare range of commercial toilet paper and paper towels. The Earthcare products offer 100% recycled post-consumer waste tissue with zero compromise on quality. Paper is recycled in ABC, Queensland in Australia recycling plant. No plantation forest pulp is used to make this tissue. Earthcare is directly responsible for saving 500,000 trees per year from the chainsaw and makes a significant contribution to sustaining our environment. The Earthcare commercial range includes toilet tissue, facial tissue, jumbo and centre feed paper towels. They also have an interleaf paper towel, serviettes, as well as an ultra-concentrated cleaning products. These products are septic tank friendly, manufactured from 100% post-consumer waste, virtually chemical-free manufacturing process, chlorine-free, they use oxygen bleaching process, soft, strong and white. ABC has the Enviromark Gold New Zealand certification. The paper is FSC trademark certified. They're manufactured and converted in our plants in Sydney, Brisbane and Auckland. Every tonne of recycled paper used saves 13 trees and they're very competitively priced. You can get them through InSync products, www.insync.co.nz. Thank you.